Okay, how many have heard of the term growing degree days? The growing degree day. What it is it's the average temperature of the day minus 50 degrees with a few adjustments. So if the high was today 60 degrees, the low was 50, the average temperature is 55, and you subtract 50 from that, so you had 5 growing degree days that day. If it was 70, 50, the average temperature for the day would be 60, you'd subtract 50 from it, and you'd have 10 growing degree days for the day. And we can use growing degree days to determine how corn grows and develops. And the corn, from when you plant it to when it's emerging out of the ground, it takes about 110 growing degree days. So, how many growing degree days do we have out in this region? So I went to the weather data for 3 sites in your area: Allegheny, Franklin, and Little Valley. So from May 1st to May 15th, all these sites have from about 120 to 130 growing degree days. So theoretically, if you plant corn 1.5 inches deep and you have moisture, if you plant May 1st, your corn should be out of the ground May 15th. And I think that's a good thing. And then if you go a little further, for each leaf that corn puts out, it takes another 70 growing degree days. So for each leaf to appear fully expanded, you need 70 growing degree days. So if you have 3 leaves, this is the 3-leaf stage, 70 times 3 is 210 growing degree days, plus another 110 to get out of the ground, so that's about 330 growing degree days from planting. So I know out here you have some spring frost, so you say, well, geez, what happens if I plant my corn May 1st, and it's at this stage, and we have frost. When do you have the last spring frost in these 3 regions? Averaged over the last 30 years, your last spring frost below 32 degrees is about May 23rd.